Hello, today we're going to be unboxing this GPX all-in-one projector plus screen kit. As you can tell, it has many things that go along with it, as well as you can stream it to a Bluetooth speaker. And that's the screen you get with it. So let's go ahead and start unboxing it. Okay, so when you open the box, you get that little piece of paper about a survey. Okay, so this is going to be the actual projector itself. So I'll get so that's this. Right here is the screen, and we'll open that in just a minute, but let's do the projector first. There's that. Okay, so when you grab it, you get the remote, the cables, some cables, pick it up, and here's the power cord you get with it. Owner's manual, and the actual projector itself. It's very tight and compact of a projector. It's that big, so it's not very large. So we'll put that aside. So the projector has multiple inputs for anything you need. So you can mount it to a ceiling or such on that. But there's your VGA hook in. Also, there's your controls on this the top of thing, focus, power. And here's the rest of your inputs. Headphones, AV, SD card, HDMI, 2 of those, and 1 USB, and your power cable. There's your lens cover for your projector. So that is the projector part. Like I said earlier, it comes with a remote and cords to hook up your things with it. So it comes with looks to be a 120-inch 16:9 scale simple projection screen. So we'll go ahead and grab that out of the bag. So when you unclip these little hooks, there we go. So you get rope to help you hang it up on a surface. You also get these that help it hold up, and the adhesive part to go on the back of each of those. Once again, so this is a 120-inch screen that you can mount with these, and then use the holes on the side and mount the holes on this to secure your projector. So in total, it's the projector, the screen, the remote, the accessories to hook your screen up, and the cords for your projector. So it's a 2000 lumen projector, VGA PC input, stream to a Bluetooth speaker, foldable anti-wrinkle ultra bright projection, project up to 150-inch screen size. So here is the GPX all-in-one projector screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you're not already, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.